Hi dental clinic owners, if you are looking to get new patients consistently online, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to share how you can get new patients consistently through online. To get new patients consistently, we have mainly two methods. One is organic and second one is paid. In organic, you need to invest lot of time in creating content through personal branding. Then you will get the patients who are looking for specific result. Example, if a person is searching for root canal treatment, if he search on Google, if you have a content on your website about root canal treatment procedure cost, if it ranks on the top, people will read that and they will visit your clinic based on the content you are provided. If it is worth reading, and it build trust and credibility of your authority through the content. Second one is paid ad. Paid ad is you need to invest amount on Google ad, Facebook or TikTok ads. If you have budget, you can go with Google TikTok ads because the amount you need to invest to get new patients on Google and TikTok is more when compared to Instagram or Facebook. So if you are a beginner, I will suggest you to start with Facebook and Instagram. Once you got the minimum amount like $20,000 per month, $30,000 per month, you can invest amount on Google ads to target high-intent people who are searching for a specific solution. So under Facebook ad, we have two ways to collect the persons who are interested in a particular treatment. One is lead form, another thing is landing page form. So lead form means if someone saw any ad on Google or Facebook, it will Facebook form. Someone click on particular ad, they will get form like this. Here they will fill up the information that are requested by the advertiser. So the benefit of this is it is inside the app, so people will submit the information more without any friction. You will get more leads, but the quality of leads is less when compared to landing page. Landing page will have high potential paid quality leads when compared to lead form with low volume. So the only difference is people here there is no friction, they will submit easily. For the people who are more interested, submit the information. They are serious buyer, they submit the information on lead page form. So these are two methods. So for starting, most of the clinic who are work with me, I suggested lead form because first we need to get initial clients. Through nursing we can build them. Here the cost per lead is very low when it comes to the landing page form lead. So we can use both of that, but I recommend with the lead form because it is enough. The friction on the patient who are looking for the particular treatment is very less. So here we will get high volume. To convert them in, we need to work on framework called feed to lead. Means we need to contact the lead before 30 minutes after they submit the lead. So the quick you interact with them, the more chance to get appointment booking. If you let someone who your competitor will steal them through immediate interaction with them. So when it comes to lead nurturing means converting unknown people into a well-known person by multiple touch points like calling them, understanding their problem and providing basic solution and asking them to visit the clinic. You will call. If they are convert on the call, you will book a appointment. Otherwise, you will send a follow-up text about 20% off root canal treatment. Through that, you can improve the conversion rate and you can follow up them through the mail. So to convert a lead from lead, you need to follow rigorously to get appointment booking from them. Most of the clinic fail here because if they get any lead, first mistake they are making is they are not tracking, they are not taking the notes of who are the patient call, what is their problem, and they are not follow up them. So 40% of leads will lost because of not following them. So you need to follow up to convert them. So if you follow, you will get appointment booking. So under landing page form, we will get low volume but high potential quality. Here appointment booking, to eliminate non-serious, we will collect minimum consultation fees. For example, if you see people in Canada or US paying $5 as a minimum consultation, they will pay. So it will filter the non-serious buyer to serious. So here we will get the amount we invest on collecting the lead. So we will reinvest that amount into the advertising and reaching more serious buyers. Once they book, to take them from appointment booking to show rate, we need to nurture them. So to nurture them, we need to send a reminder. For example, today someone booked an appointment for next week. So you will send every day one reminder about their booking. We will send education about the root canal treatment, what are the things that they need to take care while having root canal issue, and we need to send the medical procedure we are following, what are the types of treatment we are proceeding, and happy patient testimonials. As they are unknown while submitting the lead, through this regular interaction they will understand about your clinic, the authority of your personal branding, like you will share your social media presence or links to them. They will know how you treat, so it will build trust and credibility of your treatment and your clinic. Once they believe you, they will visit your clinic, which comes under show rate. So here show rate we need to measure. So to measure the show rate, we need to track every appointment on the calendar. We need to track OPD card. So the based on that, how many people book, how many people visited our clinic. So based on that, we will get this show rate. So based on that one, you can get know about what is this machine. Example, if 100 people book an appointment, only 40% people visited your clinic. So there is a gap of 60%. So we will try to improve that by eliminating the friction. So whether that 60% people are non-serious buyers or if they are having issue with rebooking, rescheduling the booking appointment, so we will optimize and we will try to increase the show rate. Once we get the show rate, you need to make them purchase your treatment if they require. If it is a small dental issue, you can treat on the spot, like on the first visit. If it is like a long-term treatment or session per treatment, like a brass fixing, root canal treatment, like that, so at that time you need to use prescription based selling. So for that, you need to have a good presentation. You need to show how different models, what is the output of the particular treatment, and you need to have a good treatment coordinator where they will build rapport with the patient by asking pre-qualification questions. Means what are the problems they treated with this root canal previously, like how they are feeling now, what are the treatments they previously gone through, do they have any previous reports or medical records. So by collecting them, treatment coordinator will build rapport with them, so it will help in final conversion. Patient will meet the doctor. Here doctor will check all the reports. They already have gone understand about your social presence, your authority. So here you need to be so friendly. So you will check the reports and you will suggest treatment and the procedure how it will appear. So once this was done, you will send them to the again treatment coordinator. Treatment coordinator will confirm how much amount it will cost to undergo through the particular treatment. So example, root canal, it is about $3,000, $4,000. So treatment coordinator will ask patient about their financial condition, like do they have already money, they are ready to go to undergo to the treatment, or they have any insurance, what are the financial options they have. If they don't hesitating about the price, treatment coordinator will give all the options available in your clinic, like CPD insurance, like that. So it will help the patient to get that financial support for undergoing the treatment. So as they have the trust over your treatment, as we have sent them to the education videos of your clinic, we provided them the happy testimonials of the patient. So they have the trust over your treatment, and as per the reports you suggested the particular, so they have the logic to go on through the particular treatment. The final objection they have is about the finance. So has the treatment coordinator providing how they can offer the particular treatment through insurances, other financial options. So here the chance of converting them into purchasing the whole treatment is more. So once they purchase, they will become your new patient. So this is the framework that will help you to scale your clinic to $30,000 per month. So I hope you understand the whole framework. If you want any help regarding implementing this one, you can schedule a strategy call with me. So I will help you to understand everything and I will help you to implement that this whole system in your clinic. Thank you for watching.